Move this resolution to get this thing sorted. It is a trial period. In this period we'll probably iron out a lot of things. Maybe the police might get brave and prosecute somebody driving a sedgeway with a helmet on a footpath, and then we'll get some case law and this will get sorted. I move the suggested resolution from 1 to 4.
Do you have a second? Resolution lost. Speak against? No, you don't need to speak against. Yeah, Councillor Williams.
Look, I think I just see the joy that so many people get riding them on the domain of where is it, Kaunihera? Yeah, the domain. Yeah. So I wonder if you could look at some other areas that are not where there's bikes or young children and dogs. Have you?
We could.
Must be some.
We
so I can understand these areas probably have limitations.
We sort of challenge. It was to showcase sort of what Taupo's got. You know, you're taking people around the lake to show them what we've got here in Spark Park as well, and you could take them out to where there's nothing, but it wouldn't be the same.
But isn't there an area that's up intrinsic?
I'm going to move on at the moment because we've got a lot here and it's a long agenda, and I take it by the resolution and there was no seconder. So if I suggest that resolution is that the application be declined.
I just want to clear up the confusion. One is I'm not concerned about the Segway user. I'm riding my mountain bike and there's a Segway stop right in front of me on the trail. That's what I'm concerned about. But I'd like to move a resolution that part of 2, which allows Spa Park usage, an area that's okay with Elson to use Spa Park, because that's a great area, open space, it can half satisfy and start to look at it at demand of it. That's what I would like to propose it.
That's where we can
What's the motion that?
That's where we can start.
You have to start with that.
Anything just to get us going. I mean,
is that plausible? Is Spa Park a big enough area for
that was one of the options for one of the 3 tours, was just utilising the Spa Park itself.
Yeah, without the daylight thriller part that it says in here, remove that from that. Number 2, please.
I'd like to second that as long as it excludes the rotary ride in the daylight.
Yeah.
It's really good.
I like that you might start it.
thank you.
Okay, so the suggested resolution that's moved by Councillor Mincer would be that the Council grants a licence to Pure Kiwi Adventures Limited and it's done it for me here. Section 54(1) of the Reserves Act for the use parts of Spa, Benmore Park up to 6 months for the purpose of conducting a guided Sedgeway tourist. That was seconded by Councillor Williams. And then number 3, that the Mayor and the Chief Executive are authorised to approve on the terms and conditions and execute the licence document number 4. That resolution 2, part 2 and 3 above be subject to legal advice and procurement. Yeah, that above be subject to procurement status of situation results. So all those in favour? Aye. Those against? Carried. Thanks, guys.